Hi, I'm Jason and welcome to Dosatron University. Today, Dosatron's troubleshooting video series features the Dosatron D8RE2 40 GPM injector. In this video, I will use a strap wrench. It's best to perform troubleshooting in a clean area, or if your Dosatron is in line, cover your stock tank so you won't lose any parts. The three key areas in troubleshooting are: 1. The injector is not drawing the concentrate but is clicking. 2. The injector is pushing water down into your stock solution tank but is clicking. And 3. The injector is not clicking. The first two are the most common. If your Dosatron is clicking but not drawing the concentrate, it could be as simple as the strainer is plugged with debris. Take a look at the strainer. If it is clogged, clean it and retest your Dosatron. If there is still no suction, but the Dosatron is clicking, turn the water on. Unscrew and remove the suction hose nut and hose. Then check to see if you feel suction on your finger. If you feel suction, just cut a ½ inch off the top of the hose and reattach. Or if the hose is cracked, rigid, or looks really old, just replace it. After you reattach it, you should see the liquid begin moving up the suction hose. If you don't see liquid moving up the hose, or you don't feel suction on your finger, turn the water off. Press the air bleed button on the bell housing a few times to release the pressure. Unscrew the suction hose nut and remove the suction hose. Set them aside. Unscrew the injection stem nut and pull the injection stem straight out from the body of the injector. Take a close look at the plunger seal for nicks, scratches, or wear. If you see damage or don't remember the last time you changed the plunger seal, just replace it now. To change the plunger seal, pinch and roll it off of the plunger. Install the new one into the groove on the plunger. To reinstall the injection stem, align the notches in the lower part of the blue body with the teeth on the top of the injection stem assembly. Then reinstall the injection stem nut hand tight. If the scale you prefer is not facing out, just loosen the stem nut and remove. Pull the stem down slightly, rotate it, and push it back up. Reinstall the nut hand tight. Your injector should now be drawing the concentrate. If your injector is pushing water down into the concentrate tank, it's time to investigate the check valve. To do this, remove the hose nut and hose and set aside. Unscrew and remove the check valve nut. Grab the barb and pull the check valve assembly straight out. To inspect the check valve parts, hold the assembly and twist the white top guide 1/4 turn counterclockwise to remove. Remove the spring and cone. Inspect all of the check valve parts. If they are dirty, you may be able to soak, brush off, and reinstall. If you see damage or don't remember the last time you changed these parts, just replace them now. Insert the cone into the top of the barb. Then slide the spring over the shaft and position the top guide over the shaft. Align the guide and twist it 1/4 turn clockwise to lock. Give it a tug to make sure everything is in position. You can now reinstall the check valve assembly into the stem and reinstall the check valve nut. Thread the suction hose nut onto the hose. Slide it onto the barb and hand tighten the nut. This should stop the water from dripping back into the concentrate tank. If the injector isn't clicking or stalling at low flow, we need to investigate the piston. Using the strap wrench, loosen the bell housing and unscrew to remove. Set it aside. Grasp the white plastic bridge and pull the piston straight out of the body. Holding the piston, press the push rod up and down. It should click in both directions. If not, please give us a call for assistance. You can visually inspect the upper and lower flanges on the piston shell. If they are worn or have deep scratches, the piston shell needs to be replaced. Another way to check the flanges is by doing a fit test. To test the upper flange, invert the piston and insert it squarely halfway into the bell housing. It should stay in place. To test the lower flange, remove the plunger by turning it 1/4 turn counterclockwise and pulling it straight out. Insert the piston into the body squarely about halfway. It should stay in place. If either is loose, the piston shell needs to be replaced. For assistance in replacing the piston shell, please contact Dosatron Technical Service at 800-523-8499. Reinstall the plunger into the retainer. Twist it a quarter turn clockwise to lock. Now insert the piston back into the blue body and hand tighten the bell housing. That's all for now. We hope this video has been helpful in troubleshooting your Dosatron D8RE2 40 GPM injector. For more information, please call us at 800-523-8499 or visit us online at dosatronusa.com. To see our other videos, check out our YouTube channel or visit the video page on our website. I'm Jason and this is Dosatron University. Thanks for watching.